Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Zarchiver. It's important to understand that Zarchiver doesn't have a dedicated reset button within the application itself. The only truly effective way to return it to its default, out-of-the-box state is by clearing its application data. This process will essentially wipe all your custom settings, temporary files, and any cached information, making the app behave as if you've just installed it for the very first time on your device. To begin, you'll need to access your device's main settings. Open the Settings application on your Android phone or tablet. Once inside, scroll down and look for an option typically labeled Apps, Applications, or App Manager. Tap on this to view a list of all the applications installed on your device. From this comprehensive list, carefully locate and select Zarchiver to proceed to its specific application information page. On the Zarchiver application information page, you'll find several options. Look for and tap on Storage. Within the storage settings, you will see two distinct options: Clear Data and Clear Cache. First, tap Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear, warning you that all application data will be permanently deleted. Confirm this action. Then, for good measure, also tap Clear Cache to remove any remaining temporary files, ensuring a complete reset. Once you've successfully cleared the data and cache, Zarchiver will effectively be reset. The next time you open the application, it will behave exactly as it would upon a fresh installation. This means you will need to grant any necessary file access or storage permissions again when prompted. Additionally, any custom settings, themes, or preferences you previously configured within Zarchiver will be gone, and you'll need to reconfigure them to your liking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.